Medyo kapatuba. Wana, tuwad na mga kanang kuan, bag diha. Ibis gamay pa nga atong lugar. Tuwad na noon. So, cooking the fried egg and fried tilapia, fried fish. So, yummy. So, eating dinner. So, this is egg with what is onion. So tomorrow is shit mango with time lunch. So this is stock food for after eating. So this is so many chips and marshmallows and also biscuits. So waiting time, eating. So this one is tomorrow breakfast of my daughter. One breakfast. So this is what is insumada? Yeah. So tomorrow breakfast my daughter. So early wake up, cause time work is 1:30 a.m. So this is a tilapia fish fried. So I want to I need toasted. So back to back for nice eating. So enjoy cooking. Few minutes is eating dinner. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. So tomorrow I 5 p.m. and live streaming this 5 p.m. tomorrow morning in Philippines. So this is a simple and small house. So the room of my daughter. So the picture my daughter and me. So I'm here. Busy cooking because of my cooking after work and going home, then I'm cooking. So thank you for watching, guys, and also shout to Inday Dayag and also Janet Soma and Stephen Yantorn, and also me, then Dus Bagus. Thank you for always support my channel, and it's and others friends, all thank you very much for support my channel. Thank you so much for look the Penis Pride. So you also have egg with onion. So thank you so much for watching. I love you.